Hello, this is Peter of First Maths. Today we are looking at dividing various numbers by 10. What resources do we need? None, nothing at all today. Mental learning objective. I can read and record decimal numbers, tenths and hundredths. Mental learning task. Today's lesson is about decimal numbers and dividing numbers by 10. Where have you seen decimal numbers? Pause the video and tell your teacher. How would you read this number? I would read it 3.59. How would you read this number? I would read it £3.59. Now notice it doesn't say 3.59 anymore. If you've got a pound in front, you say £3.59. £3.59. We only label the pound and not the pence. How would you read this number? It would be 3.59 meters. Measures are harder. We could say 7.45 meters. Does anyone know which is larger? 12.7 and 12.34. Pause the video and have a quick vote. The answer is 12.7 is bigger than 12.34. What does 12.7 mean? It means I have 12 and 7/10. What does 12.34 mean? It means I have 12 and 3/10 and 4 units. 3/10 and 4 hundredths. I can read and record decimal numbers, tenths and hundredths. I can instantly recall division facts for the 10 times table. When a number is divided by 10, the digits move one place to the right. What happens to a number when it is multiplied by 10? 1 times 10, 1 times 100. The digits move one place to the left. Saying we add 0 is incorrect. You see? Here is the 1 and it moves to the left. Can you tell your teacher what the answer is to these sums? 23 times 10, 14 times 10, 275 times 10, 7 times 10, and finally 50 times 10. Pause the video and work out the answers. The answers were 23 times 10 is 230. 14 times 10 is 140. 275 times 10 is 2,750. 7 times 10 is 70. 50 times 10 is 500. What happens to a number when it is divided by 10? What are the answers to these? 120 divided by 10 is 12. So all the digits move to the right. 3,400 divided by 10 is what? That's right, it is 340. All the digits move to the right. 60 divided by 10 becomes 6. All the digits move to the right. Here's our main learning task. What happens if we divide 37 by 10? Pause the video and tell your teacher. The answer is, it would become 3.7. All the digits move to the right, and a decimal point happens here. The three tens become 3 units. The 7 units become 7 tenths. Every digit moves to the right. There you go. What is the answer? 3.7. What happens if 241 is divided by 10? Everything moves to the right. So the 200s become 2 tens. The 4 tens become 4 units. The 1 unit becomes 1 tenth. Move each digit one place to the right. What is the answer to 241 divided by 10? 24.1. What happens if you divide 15 by 10? Divide 15 pieces of paper between 10 pupils. Pause the video and complete the task. Don't forget that half is the same as 5 tenths, or 0.5. Today you need to work in pairs. Take it in turns to choose any number. Both of you must divide it by 10. If you don't agree, work together to find the right answer. The main learning objective. I can instantly recall division facts for the 10 times table. Plenary. After a while, stop the pupils and write some examples of their work on the board. Solve these problems. 270 divided by 10. Pause the video and tell the answer. 34 divided by 10. 3, 2, 1. Tell me. The answer was 3.4. 743 divided by 10. What's the answer? 3, 2, 1. Tell me. The answer was 74.3. 5 divided by 10 is a half. 57 divided by 10. What is that answer? Pause the video and tell me. 3, 2, 1. Tell me. 5.7. Well done. 8 to 89 divided by 10. Pause the video or just tell me. 3, 2, 1. Well done. 8.9. Review the key idea. When a number is divided by 10, the digits move one place to the right. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!